Sa totoo lang, kulang pa ang isang buong araw para matapos ng lahat na kailangan kong gawin sa school. But I feel great. I can do more in life.
Fourth-year management student, yan si Marx Ryan Medina, certified hardworking. Araw-araw, occupied si Marx pagdating sa academic and school activities.
Usually, kailangan ko gumising ng maaga, mga around 7 a.m. Kasi 8 a.m. dapat nasa school na ako. And then, dediretso na ako sa org room, magpo-process na ng mga documents, mga activities for school. Then, pagdating ng hapon, ay napapasok na ako. Tapos natatapos ako around 8 to 9 p.m. And then, nakakauwi ako ng bahay mga 11 na, ganun. Then, the next day, kailangan ko na naman gumising ng maaga.
Pero sa kabila ng stress at pagod, hindi pa rin nawawala ang pagkahiling niya sa sports.
Usually, kapag meron pa akong extra time, nag-sports ako, basketball, badminton, and then sa friends, minsan, kapag mag-time para mabawasan yung stress.
Bukod sa nakahiligang sports, hindi rin nawawala sa kanya ang pag-inom ng mga supplements para sa sapat na nutrisyong kailangan ng kanyang katawan.
Dati kasi talaga hindi ako nagtitake ng supplements, hindi rin ako nagtitake ng vitamins. So, parang isang oras or 3 hours na activity lang, pagod na ako kagad. Pero nung nag-start ako mag-take ng Trivoca, mas marami na ako nagagawa, mas energetic na ako. At saka, mas nagiging efficient na yung paggamit ko ng oras ko.
Trivoca is a unique combination of vitamins, minerals, and bioactive herbs. A complete line of vitamins and minerals combined with antioxidants vitamin E, vitamin C, CoQ10, lycopene, and lutein. Made complete by 2 bioactive herbs, ginseng and ginkgo biloba.
Trivoca has ginseng, it has ginkgo biloba, it has lutein, antioxidants like vitamin E, lycopene, which all enhances energy and boosts really the anti-stress capabilities of the body. If you look at the whole range of the market, you'll find that there are so many supplements, and Trivoca is the only one that has a mixture of the high premium ingredients. So you can spend a lot of energy during the day, whatever kind of work, and enough for evening hours to spend with your family. I invite everyone to go get Trivoca and experience how to do more in life.
This portion was brought to you by Trivoca. Do more in life.